Use your left hand. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Lie down, facing down. Slowly lift your upper body. Cobra stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Twist to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. On your side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then backwards. Hands close. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right arm under the left. Kailangan yung shoulders nakadikit sa floor. Look at the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Other side. 1,